While public attention focuses on self-driving cars and drones, RailVision, an AI-based railway safety technology company, develops advanced cognitive vision systems to improve railway safety, reduce operational costs, and enhance efficiency. Since being founded in 2015, its AI-driven systems use cameras and machine learning to detect and classify obstacles up to 2,000 meters ahead, providing real-time alerts to train operators critical for preventing accidents caused by human error or poor weather. RailVision sees this as essential for global infrastructure, especially in regions like the EU, where safety standards and efficiency vary widely. RailVision's core technology supports the transition toward higher levels of train automation, grades of automation 3 and 4, and the company is actively working with major operators like Israel Railways and Rio Tinto, as well as manufacturers like Knorr-Bremse. Its mainline system is already being piloted and sold for long-distance trains, while its shunting yard system, designed for shorter-range operations, has completed successful trials in the US and Switzerland. The company is also expanding into predictive maintenance, GIS mapping, and big data analytics, which remain in early stages but are seen as promising avenues for growth. It plans to focus its marketing and expansion in North America, Europe, and Australia, where it expects adoption to be highest. Despite competition from established players like Siemens Mobility and Fortel, RailVision believes its ability to deliver long-range, real-time hazard detection and predictive maintenance insights offers a competitive edge. However, regulatory hurdles remain as the industry awaits clearer standards for autonomous train operations from bodies like the FRA and ERA. Part of this company's terrific train tech involves the active control system that enables semi-autonomous locomotive capabilities by actively managing throttle and brake functions. Developed in collaboration with a major U.S. rail company, this new system marks a shift from passive warning technologies to real-time active safety control, enhancing both performance and risk mitigation. The system is specifically designed for shunting yard locomotives and integrates RailVision's proprietary AI to deliver real-time insights directly into the locomotive's control systems. On the software side, RailVision's software as a service SaaS platform is called DASH, which stands for Discover, Analyze, Secure, and Harness. It's designed to provide rail operators with advanced safety insights and operational data by integrating seamlessly with the company's AI-powered mainline and shunting yard systems. DASH enables better decision-making, enhances efficiency, and offers the potential for recurring revenue through cross-selling to existing and new customers. Since RailVision joined MXV Rail's Technology Roadmap program, which is managed by a subsidiary of the American Association of Railroads, AAR, it gained visibility by being among leading stakeholders in U.S. rail technology development. Through this membership, the company will help define interoperable standards to improve rail safety and automation while collaborating with major U.S. rail operators. Over in Israel, regulatory certification from Israel Railways for its mainline system allows installation on passenger locomotives. The mainline system uses advanced AI-driven obstacle detection and classification to deliver real-time, actionable data to train operators, helping prevent collisions and improve operational efficiency on busy rail networks. Along with plans for future high-volume procurement of RailVision's safety technology by Israel Railways, the certification triggered an immediate $300,000 milestone payment. Not bad. This built on Israel Railways signing a $1.4 million deal with RailVision in 2023 to purchase 10 mainline systems and related services. Then earlier this year, reach extended into the Indian market through a binding memorandum of understanding with Sujan Ventures, a leading technology supplier to the Indian rail industry. The collaboration is aimed at introducing RailVision's advanced rail safety systems to Indian Railways, which operates one of the world's largest rail networks with around 15,000 locomotives. As part of the agreement, RailVision will conduct a short trial of its technology at Sujan's facilities. If the trial meets expectations, both companies plan to sign a definitive agreement. Sujan Ventures has made an initial payment to RailVision, with additional milestone-based payments to follow. During the term of the MOU, Sujan Ventures will have exclusive negotiation rights for distributing RailVision solutions in India. The partnership aims to include RailVision's technologies in major upcoming government tenders, requiring thousands of locomotives to be equipped with advanced safety systems designed to prevent accidents, especially in poor weather conditions. potentially creating a substantial new market for rail vision. Sujan Ventures highlighted the alignment of rail vision's technology with India's Make in India initiative, aiming to offer high-tech, locally sourced solutions without compromising on global standards. Later, the globe-trotting adventure continued with a follow-on order from a major Latin American mining company for its mainline system, following a successful trial under harsh operational and environmental conditions. Over in Europe, Rail Vision received a European patent for an imaging technology that improves the sampling rate of detectors in selected regions of interest on locomotives. This patented system captures and prioritizes visual data in critical zones, enabling earlier detection of hazards and improving train safety. The system collects multiple data sets over several cycles and focuses on critical areas by obtaining partial data sets within the remaining cycle time, enabling higher sampling rates. The processing unit, mounted on the locomotive, includes a tracking module that identifies rails, sets margins, calculates a safe braking line, and defines a safe zone where the SROI is located for early hazard detection. Financially, Rail Vision reported a relatively strong cash position of $22.4 million for the first half of the year, up from $17.2 million at the end of last year. However, revenue for the same period was $237,000, down 69% from the previous year due mainly to timing of revenue recognition, with income primarily from installations and services to existing customers. Research and development expenses increased to $3.24 million, driven by higher headcount, salary increases, currency effects, and investments in equipment. General and administrative expenses also rose to $2.51 million, reflecting salary adjustments, bonuses, and share-based payments. Operating loss widened to $5.7 million from $4.2 million in the prior year period. The GAAP net loss narrowed significantly to $5.68 million from $24.3 million, while the non-GAAP net loss improved to $4.87 million from $5.39 million. The company explained that non-GAAP measures, excluding stock-based compensation and other items, provide useful insights into ongoing operations but should be considered alongside GAAP results. The increase in cash was largely due to proceeds from equity financing activities during the period. On January 15, 2025, Rail Vision announced it had regained compliance with Nasdaq's minimum bid price requirement after maintaining a closing bid above $1 for 10 consecutive trading days, resolving a deficiency notice received in July 2024. However, on March 6, 2025, the company received a new notice stating it had again fallen out of compliance, as its share price remained below $1 for 30 consecutive business days. Nasdaq initially gave Rail Vision until September 2025 to cure the deficiency. After failing to do so, the company was granted a second 180-day extension until March 2, 2026. This extension was based on Rail Vision's continued compliance with all other listing requirements and its stated intention to resolve the issue, potentially through a reverse share split. The company's stock will continue to trade on the Nasdaq Capital Market under the symbol RVSN, but there is no guarantee it will regain or maintain compliance within the extended period. It's important to remember Rail Vision is still an emerging growth company. Despite these challenges, Rail Vision sees itself as a key enabler of safer, smarter, and more autonomous railway systems, offering standalone and integrable technologies that appeal to both legacy rail operators and next-generation automation efforts. So watch them regulatory railways carefully, as RVSN bridges the gap between human operators and advanced detection technologies, as well as its efforts to bridge over and narrow financial losses. For more on Rail Vision and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.